Good morning, students. Once again, warm welcome in Science Online class. Today, we are going to talk about one of the easiest chapter of your syllabus, that is chapter number 4, Materials, Metals and Non-Metals. We discussed about this chapter in previous years like 6 and 7, but don't worry, I am going to keep the session very basic and I hope you will be able to understand very clearly. So, let's begin with it. First, materials. Materials, we can call it as an element also. Element or materials are of three types: metals, non-metals and semi-metals. Among them all materials, most of are metals, few are non-metals and very few are semi-metals. Students, regarding semi-metals, you will study in further studies. Today we are going to cover topics of metals and non-metals. First topic, physical properties of metals. What is the physical properties? Do you know, students, what is the physical property? Physical property are basically just looking at something and understanding. That means आप कोई चीज़ को देखते हो and by looking at them you can come to know उसका जो characteristics होता है, that is called physical properties of metal. First physical property of metal is malleability. अब malleability क्या होता है? The property which allow the metals to be hammered into thin sheets. That means जो metals है आप उसको hammer कर सकते हो like this, and by hammering it you can convert that shapes from one to another. That is malleability. Second is ductility, the property which allow the metals to be drawn into wires. See this, wires को आप you can convert it, आप उसका shape change कर सकते हो. You can see this and you can just wrap it up. आप उसका size change कर सकते हो, उसका shape change कर सकते हो. That is the ductility. Next, important, that is conductivity. All metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Metals which allow heat and electricity to pass through them is called conductivity, is called good conductor of heat and electricity. Which means you can see this, when a joining electric circuit with bulb, circuits are connected through the conducting wires. ये जो conducting wires है, that is connected to battery. Now you can see in this conducting wire, those are made up of coppers. ये जो coppers है, all are metals. So if you connected this coppers to the bulb, you can see bulb is glowing. When you stop in between, you can see this, bulb has stopped to glow. So we can say metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. उसके through electron pass हो सकता है. Got it, students? Next is lustrous. Metals have shiny appearance. You can take example of iron, copper. One of the example, gold, जो shining करता है. Next is strength. Most of all metals are very strong and very hard. Sonorous. What is the property of sonorous? Metals produce ringing sound when they hit. आप किसी भी मेटल को स्ट्राइक कर दो, when you hit it, take example of our school bell, आप उसको जब रिंगिंग कर दो, how they make sound, कैसा आवाज़ करता है? Because this is the property, वो sonorous है, they can produce their sounds. Last of this physical activity is hardness. All the metals are generally very hard. Take example of iron, it is not easily breakable, वो easily break नहीं हो सकता. Can take example of gold. All the metals are hard except few. Those are sodium and potassium, which are very soft and get cut by knives. Other examples of metals are iron, copper, aluminum, calcium and magnesium, and there are so many examples. Got it, students? Now next topic is physical property of non-metal. अब ये जो non-metals है, which are completely different than metals, you can say it opposite, vice versa. Metals are malleable whereas non-metals are non-malleable, which means if you hammered it, अगर आप उसको हैमरिंग करते हो, अप्लाइंग द प्रेशर, तो दे विल नॉट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू शीट्स, वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा. एग्जाम्पल कार्बन. नॉन डक्टाइल, यू कैन नॉट मेक इट टू दी फ्रॉम दी वन शेप टू अनदर शेप। आप इसके वायर्स नहीं बना सकते लाइक कॉपर्स। पुअर कंडक्टर, ऑल नॉन मेटल्स आर पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, विच मीन्स इसमें से इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स पास नहीं होता है, दे कैन नॉट जनरेट। नॉन लस्ट्रस, all the non-metals are very dull, they don't have shiny surfaces like metals. And non-sonorous, by heating it, आप उसको हीट करोगे so they do not produce sound. Take example of carbon, graphite. Other examples are hydrogen, carbon, chlorine and helium. You can see it. See, carbon, phosphorus, sulfur, all are non-metals. Got it, students? So this is the difference. We can classify it metal and non-metal. Materials, as we discussed earlier, this can be classified into metals and non-metals. Metals are completely different from non-metals in physical and chemical property. Today we covered physical property. In next session we will cover chemical properties. Metals, all the metals are usually solid. Take example of iron, sodium, potassium, copper, aluminium, except one, that is mercury. Have you seen mercury ever in your life? Yes, you have seen. आपका जो थर्मोमीटर होता है ना, नॉट डिजिटल थर्मोमीटर, जो कॉमन थर्मोमीटर होता है, व्हेन जो उसका टेम्परेचर राइजेज होता है, तो जो राइजिंग जो लेवल होता है, दैट शोज अस बाय मर्क्यूरी. This is the one metal which is not in solid form. Metals are hard material. All metals are very hard. Gold, iron, except few. I told you earlier, there is sodium and potassium, which are very soft. All metals are lustrous, sonorous, malleable, ductile. We discussed already. They are good conductor. They conduct heat and electricity. Metals have high melting point. अब ये क्या होता है? Melting point. What is the meaning of melting point? आप किसी मेटल्स को मेल्ट करना चाहते हो. टेक एग्जाम्पल ऑफ आयरन. डू वन थिंग, टेक पीस ऑफ आयरन और उसको अपने घर के गैस स्टोव पे रख दो. विल इट मेल्ट इजीली? नो स्टूडेंट्स, नॉट एट ऑल. उसको मेल्ट करने के लिए यू नीड हाई टेम्परेचर. वो इजीली 25, 27, 30, 50 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे मेल्ट नहीं होगा. यू नीड 100 डिग्री, 200 डिग्री, 500 डिग्री सेल्सियस. So all metals are having high melting point. You can take example of gold also. आप गोल्ड को easily बंद नहीं कर सकते हो. If you want to change the shape, उसको high temperature पे heat देना पड़ता है. Then only then it can be melt. Non-metals exist in all three states. जो metals है वो सिर्फ almost all metals solid में except mercury. But जो non-metals है, those are present in solid, liquid, gaseous. Gaseous we have discussed hydrogen and all. दे आर वेरी ब्रीटर. अब ब्रीटर का मतलब क्या होता है? अगर आप उसको हैमरिंग से हीट कर दो सो दे विल नॉट चेंज द शेप्स एंड साइज. वो डायरेक्टली क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा. दे आर नॉन लस्ट्रस, नॉन सोनरस, आवाज़ प्रोड्यूस नहीं करते, एंड पुअर कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, जिसमें से इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो नहीं हो सकता है. सी दिस एग्जाम्पल. यू कैन सी आई हैव कनेक्टेड वुड बिटवीन इट. तो बैटरी से जब करंट फ्लो होता है वुड पे आके दिस करंट विल स्टॉप. अब यहाँ पे करंट स्टॉप होगा तो बल्ब डज नॉट ग्लो, वो ग्लो नहीं करेगा. बट इंस्टेड ऑफ वुड इफ आई वुड हैव अटैच कॉपर, अगर यहाँ पे वुड की जगह पे कॉपर होता तो बल्ब कैन ग्लो इजीली. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस आर द थिंग्स, दिस इज द डिफरेंशिएशन बिटवीन मेटल्स एंड नॉन मेटल. नेक्स्ट टाइम we will cover chemical properties of metal and non-metal. Thank you.